Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you are a returning viewer, thank you so much for returning and watching this video. And if you are new, my name is Awut, and I make hair videos, hair journey videos, and weight loss videos. So if you haven't seen any of my weight loss videos, go back to my old videos, and you'll be able to have a chance to see that I have really good information on that, on losing weight and stuff like that. But this video somehow anyway is about the supplements that I take in order to grow my hair, because ever since I lost weight I noticed that my hair has grown tremendously, and is rare, and is basically based on the reason for that is basically the healthy eating that I have incorporated into my lifestyle and my diet. So I've noticed that my hair has grown really long. At the moment I'm not wearing my natural hair. This is just, this is just a wig, but for my protective style, in order to help my hair to grow. But if you want to watch my hair videos as well, just go back to my other videos to be able to check out the hair regimens that I do in order to grow my hair. Now, with that out of the way, I want to talk about the supplements that I take in order to grow my hair out. So the supplement that I take is it's called MSM, and basically and it's the Vega Vera Classic, 1,000 grams, and this is 99.9% pure MSM, so 100% pure MSM. And basically what MSM stands for is methyl sulfonyl methane. So that's a bit of a mouthful, yes. And so that's what MSM stands for. And basically what that is, it's a sulfur chemical compound found in plants and animals and in humans as well. So and it can also be chemically made. So and it's also known for its anti-inflammatory properties. So this is why it's used in, as supplements for people to drink and stuff like that. And you can also put on your hair, spray it on your hair, mix it with water and vitamin C. So when I take this, I take it with vitamin C, because vitamin C allows you to absorb the MSM a bit better into your system. So yeah, so that's what I take in order to grow out my hair. Now I've been taking this now since I believe it was the 10th of June. So and it's now, what date is today? Today's the 20th. So I've only been taking it for 10 days. And so far I've not experienced any, the side effects of it. I mean, such as headaches, nausea, diarrhea. I haven't experienced any of that because I'm basically taking a small dose of it. So I'll just show you what kind of the dose that I take. So this is the spoon size of it. You can see it here how small it is. Oops, sorry, dropped that. That's the size of it. So I take 2.5 of these, and each morning. So the moment I get up in the morning, I take 2 of these spoons. So it's not a very large amount, and that's why I'm not having these headaches and nausea that everybody's complaining about when they overdose with when they take too much of the. Some people take as much as a teaspoon, a large teaspoon, sometimes even more than that. But I tend to just take a small amount of it, and it seems to be I'm feeling okay. Like I have no side effects. I have no nausea or diarrhea or dizziness or anything like that. So I'm going to keep it to that. I'm going to keep it to that amount. I'm not going to go over that. And if I do decide to go a little bit more, I'll probably go to 3 spoons of the small spoons I'm just showing you there. So that's what I'm doing at the moment. Now I'm looking forward to seeing some results. I know it's only been 10 days, but I'm really excited to see what the results will be like, and how long my hair will be. I'm aiming for September, to see what my results will be like in September. At the moment my hair is this length, just to my shoulders, and and I'm looking to go to breast length. So by December I'm hoping that I'll maybe touch my breast length, hopefully, please. If that will if everything goes well according to plan, there are no setbacks in terms of my hair experiencing some setbacks and heat damage and all that. I'm trying to stay away from all of that. So that's that at the moment. What else can I say? Yes. So if you are someone who is looking to grow their hair out as well and are going their hair journey, I would advise you to do your research on MSM, what it is, what are the benefits, what are the cons, and how much to take in that when it comes to that, because it's very important that you take the proper amount of dosage so that you can achieve your desired results and goals. Of course, you have to be mindful as well of making sure that when you take it, you're not taking too much of it, because I've heard and I've read that if you overdose, it can actually lighten your skin, it can lighten your eyes. So if you don't want to experience that, then maybe reducing the dose a little bit. If you don't want to experience headaches, nausea, diarrhea, and all that stuff, which can be really discouraging, because once you get headaches, I hear they're terrible headaches. Like, it's something that you don't want to experience, and you will regret if you overdose your take it, to the point where you'll even feel like you don't want to go on taking it anymore, because it's just that severe. So I would say that do your own research first. Speak to your doctor, just in case if you're taking any medications, that it's not going to have side effects with the medication and stuff like that. Now you can get this one here is the powder form. You can also get crystal form, and you can get the tablet form. The tablet form, a lot of people say that it's not the best because there's a lot of additives in that, and some people have said that they've actually gained weight from taking the tablet form. So if you want to avoid that, then go for the powder form, which is 99.9% pure SMS form, MSM form, and the crystal form as well is also very pure in as an MSM. I keep saying that word wrongly. Yeah, so stick to the powder and the crystal form, because that's the purest form of MSM that you can actually consume, and you can be sure that you will actually reach your hair journey goals and things like that. So so that's pretty much it for this video. If you really enjoyed it, then please like, subscribe, and I will be bringing you more updates on my natural hair journey and how I'm actually growing out my hair using the MSM supplement. So with that said, I would like to say thank you very much, guys, for tuning in, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions in relation to the MSM, then please leave your comments below, and I will sure respond back to you. All right, bye bye.